In this question, we want to graph y equals negative x plus 3 without using a table. So that means we are going to have to use our formula of y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So using our equation above, let's label our m and our b. Well, in our formula of y equals mx plus b, m is before our x. So that means negative is going to be our slope. But whenever there's no number next to our x, we assume that the number is 1. So m equals negative 1. And then our b, which is our y-intercept, is going to be positive 3. So b equals positive 3. Now that we know our slope and our y-intercept, we can graph this equation. So let's start with our y-intercept. We have our b equaling positive 3. So let's go to our graph and find our y-axis, which is our vertical axis, and then find our positive 3, which is right here. Next, we know our slope is negative 1. So negative 1 means that we can move up 1 and to the left 1, or we can move down 1 and to the right 1. So let's start with moving up 1 and to the left 1. So we move up once and then to the left, so our next spot is going to be right here, and then we can connect our line. Or, as I said before, we can move down 1 and to the right 1. So our third spot is going to be right down here, and then we can connect our line. And then starting from here, we move down 1 and to the right 1, so our new spot's right there, and then down 1 and to the right 1, so we end here. And then we'll put an arrowhead on the end to represent this line can go on forever. Then going back to our top left, we move up 1 and to the left 1, so our spot's right here, and then we can connect it to our line and then draw an arrowhead. So now this is what our line looks like without using a table to determine the values of x and y.